Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just have received this, and it's a set of charcuterie boards that I think they're going to be perfect for your holidays. They come with these gift cards that you can use, so you can give them to anyone who you want, which I think that it's nice. You just have to keep them to wear them. You don't have to wrap it otherwise, and it's really nice. It's a setup too, which I think that it's perfect because they have two sizes, making it ideal for any kind of food that we're gonna use them, any cookies, any kind of charcuterie, any kind of fruit we want, which I think that it's nice. And as you can see, they are shaped like a Christmas tree, making them with a beautiful design. It's such a instant holiday mode when you take this out, and I think that they look amazing. They're made from natural acacia wood, so each tray has its own personality, and the wood, the gram, and the warm color can feel festive all day around. And they are sturdy enough for everyday use. They are squat resistant and they are quite smooth, and they can be perfect for food. They also come with these cookie cutters that have a really beautiful shade. All of the designs for a Christmas cookies, which I think is gonna be really handy. And I absolutely love this combination, the charcuterie board and the cookie cutters. And I like a lot the design with the raised edge, because that way you can keep things from sliding around, making it perfect for any kind of sauce side, roasted vegetables, or in this case, with some cookies. And I think that you can set them up however you need them. I think that they are adorable for Christmas occasions, but honestly, I think that you can use them for everything. Family movie nights, brunch, or even little afternoon setups. I even use the largest one to hold a whole rotisserie chicken. So whether you want to host a dinner at your house or gift them, I think that these ones are a really nice touch because they can make your kitchen a little bit more magical. I like them a lot and I will really recommend them.